Okay, so I'm going to talk on this from here. All right, so you're going to scroll for me. Okay, so basically, what I want from you is a very simple. This is a very simple tutorial, basically. I make it into group of 3 because, yeah, it's very simple. So basically, what's happening is that we have 5 students. We have 5 students, and then they are doing these modules that are here. So mathematics, English, science, history, and geography. Right. So 5 students, they are each doing 5 modules or 5 subjects, whatever you call them in English. Right. So these are what they are doing. And now what you are doing, for each student, you need to calculate the average of their 5 subjects. What did they get? So you're going to ask them, please enter your name. So we're going to put Asbong. And then Asbong, please enter your marks for mathematics. And then it gives you marks for English. And then it gives you for all the subjects. They give you all the marks. So that's you're still working under Asbong, right? They give you all the 5. And then based on that, you tell me the average for Asbong. What did she get? And then based on you see, please contact and go up a little bit. Yes. So you see now here they say A is when it's above 85, B between 70 and 85, and then C 55 and 69, and then when it's below 55, you must tell them that they what? It's 4. That is Asbong. You finish Asbong and then you move on to the next student. We finish the next student, all 5 of them. You need to ask each one of them to enter their marks, and then you tell me the average of all of them. And then you tell me whether they are excellent, they are good, average, or poor. Are we together there? So far it's clear, right? And then now, the report must now give you an average, a summary. Who was the highest? When you capture everybody, now you give me now a report at the end. Like the highest student was maybe Maskani. The lowest was, I don't know, math. And you see what I'm saying? So it gives me the report of all your 5 students. Who was the highest? Who was the lowest? Okay. And then if the student got less than 55 on the average, you must send him to counseling. You must indicate that this student needs counseling. Are we together? Great. Now, for extra marks these are, can you scroll up a little bit now? Just scroll up. Scroll. Okay, yeah, good. Right. Now, here now is extra marks now. You add some fixtures to enhance basic solutions. Okay, so maybe to track the number of students who score more than 90 in subjects. Maybe you'll be tracking everybody who got maybe more than 90 in maths. You're gonna maybe tell. So this is how you decide what extra pictures you are adding. I cannot tell you what extra picture you must put. This is up to you and your group members. You decide. I just give you some ideas of what can be as extra picture. Like you say, everybody got maybe 90 in mathematics. On the report, you're gonna tell me this student, and this student, they will get a scholarship because they have 90 and above. There's something like that. Or this student, they will do maybe better if they become maybe politicians because they're not good in maths, things like that. So whatever fixtures you think you can remember, it's for 8 marks. 8 marks out of 25. That is like 30% of the tutorial. It's on extra pictures that you can add, you and your group. It's a lot. So just see what can you do to impress me that, okay, we've added these extra pictures. I cannot, this is just examples that I have put here. But you can be as creative as possible. Are we together? Right. And then you submit the full code. And then you provide like an explanation on a Word document. You explain all the unique features that you've added in the project. You tell me we've added these functionalities. You've added this functionality. Remember, it's 30% of your tutorial, right? So you can't just add one functionality and expect me to give you all 8 marks. You see? So you must also weigh how many functionalities can you add. Okay, and then you ensure that your code is clearly explained. You know what we're doing to comment your code. You do those comments like this part is doing this part maybe we are doing this part, so that at least when I'm following the code, I'm not lost. Okay, so you explain each part what it's doing. And again, I know everybody goes to ChatGPT. That's why I put it over there. Even if you go online and ask for the code, remember when I'm reading the code, I need to see what you added. Because obviously some of these codes can be found online, especially since you're not on campus this week, you are busy wherever you are. I'm sure you're gonna get it from online. I will check what did you add, because what you add will be seen. You added this part on whatever you find online. Okay. Creativity is encouraged for extra marks. Remember on the test two, some people scored 18 out of 10. So you can be the first one to score 20 out of 25. Just be creative as a group. 3 of you together. Remember there are extra marks. So try to impress me as much as you can. Okay. So try to impress me. Creativity, I cannot stop you. Whatever you think can, because at least you understand at least get the basic working. Once the basic is working, now try to put these extra things to impress me. And then you get all your marks. All right. Good. There's no class today. There's no class tomorrow. But Wednesday, I mean Thursday, I'm hoping that they'll come back. But definitely, even if you don't come back, I will be here on Friday. I will open the levels on Friday. If you and your group members want to come and work here and ask me any question before you submit on Saturday, I will be here on Friday from 8 o'clock. If there is class, 7:45, I'm here. But if there are no classes again on Friday, from 8 o'clock, I will be here. You can come with your group members. We can discuss it before you submit. Okay. So Friday, whether there's class or not, I will be available. Okay? Good. All right. Bye-bye. Done. How do you stop this thing now?